Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a clipping mask in Illustrator. First open the Illustrator and create a document, then import the image in the artboard, then select the ellipse tool from the toolbar. Press Shift and drag the mouse, create a perfect round shape. Change the fill color if you want, choose any color. And if you want see under image, then decrease opacity, then go to the window menu and click on the appearance and click on the opacity and decrease the opacity and select the shape. And under image, right click and click on the make a clipping mask. Now we make a clipping mask. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our graphic solution tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.